Hello everybody, a very good morning to all of you. My dear students, in the previous lecture we studied how can you calculate the median of the data when the number of revisions are odd. And now we will study how can you calculate the median of data when the number of revisions is even. So let's study. Now we have to find the median of the following data. Okay. So the data given is 2, 3, 6, 0, 1, 4, 6, 5, 7, 12. Now we arrange the given data in ascending order. Okay. We get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 because there are 2 6 here. So you put all the 6 together, that is 2 6 together, 6, 6, 7, 12. Now here on counting the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 numbers. Okay. Here n equal to 10. Okay. Which is an even number. So we can find the median by using the formula median is equal to mean of n by 12th term and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Okay. So mean means we'll add these both terms and we'll divide by 2. Okay. So here 1 by 2 n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Now we'll put the value n, that is n equal to 10. So putting the n to n, we get 10 by 2 plus 1. So dividing 10 by 2, we get 5th term and 5 plus 1 6th term. So here 5th term, that is first, second, third, fourth, 5th. 5th term is 4 and 6th term, first, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th. 6th term is 5. On adding, we get 4 plus 5 9. 9 by 2. Okay. So 9 by 2 is 4.5. So 4.5 is the median of the given data. So my dear students, I am sure that you understood how can you find the median of the data. Thank you very much.